Beijing, Moscow, London, Paris, Rome, high-end restaurants, hotels, they're all there. International method of eating, the Western style, fork, knife, drink, glass, wine glass on the right, and bread will be on the left. Most of us are familiar with that. Some of us are more familiar than others when we go to a Chinese restaurant. We'll have the plate, the bowl, and the chopsticks. So, when you're using international styled method of eating, certainly fork and knife. I recommend, suggestion, you see people holding their fork like this. I've seen it. You see people holding their fork like this. I suggest index finger just here where the major part of the fork and the length of the fork, the handle meet very gently. With your knife, equally so, just here at the part where the handle and the beginning of the knife begins. So you would have it like that. Not something like this. It's rather hard to hold, pierce, or cut, but definitely like this. That would be with the knife and the fork. Chopsticks, watch the next session. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.